Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that is retail already back or coming back. So let's talk about the details because I have some evidences. Then we have, of course, Tether printing just like crazy. We have also, amazing volume in Bitcoin spot ETF. 5 billion in volume yesterday, the first time ever. And also we have BlackRock just disclosed they directly owning $91 million of their Bitcoin spot ETF. And Robinhood starts to put back altcoins just like Solana, PEPE, ADA, XRP, and we could see other listing PEPE on COINBASE and lot of things. And we can of course see that Bitcoin price is going higher and higher. Yesterday we were above 93,000 US dollar, getting extremely close to 100,000 US dollars. So guys, all this in today's video. Why I'm wearing this green hoodie? Basically, it says here, it's a Hungarian language actually. In Hungarian, Bátor Tábor means brave camp, and this is a non-profit organization. It's helping, seriously ill children and their families. It actually was founded in the past by Paul Newman, but this is the Hungarian version of it. And I was actually running the marathon for them in October, and collected more than 20,000 something dollar. A lot of people from the Hungarian blockchainbloom community donated. And today is the day when you can wear their clothes supporting them. So that's the reason why I have this in my video right now, because that's every year a big thing for me, every single year, running the marathon and collecting money for them. So that's the reason why I have not the usual black t-shirt on. Okay, and guys, don't forget, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to keep yourself up to date in crypto. I think that's important, and I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every single day. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Okay, and now let's do it. So when we see the prices of the cryptocurrencies, we can see Bitcoin is up 3.8%, Ethereum going now sideways. So Ethereum price $3,171 US dollar, Bitcoin still above $90,000, almost 91,000 US dollar. Top gainer PEPE, and the reason for this, I'm going to talk about it, but definitely relisting on Robinhood and listing on COINBASE. Meme coins doing extremely well. Look at this, MOG, dog with head, brat, peanut, and so on and so forth, popcat. Seriously, a long time I've seen in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the first 8th place in the top hundreds are meme coins. That's crazy. And that's the reason why we should talk about it. Retail is kind of back. What is going down? TREZOR down 5%, Kaspa 4%, and Aero down 3%. Well, basically, that's it. So the memes are, which are blooming right now. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see clearly that Bitcoin is still above 90,000 US dollar. Yesterday, we have seen Bitcoin at 93,495 US dollar. Crazy numbers, and this is not far from 100,000. So this also can come up with actually kind of the beginning, to be honest with you, even if it sounds already crazy when we're looking at the bull market. Nothing lasts forever. Please keep that in mind. Don't forget, on time, on the way up, get out profit, so you not get tricked by the market. But on the other hand, the retail is just, I think, starting to FOMO in, and now let's talk about that. So Bitcoin is boosted definitely by the bigger investors. We have now the institutional investors. We have now the Bitcoin spot ETFs and so on and so forth. But who will push up the altcoins, the memes? Yeah, these guys probably are the retail investors. And look at this one here. Now you can see clearly that here the retail started to go up in the recent couple of days. What's that? This is actually Bitcoin. To search on the word Bitcoin in Google Trends. Somebody's drilling. I hope it's not disturbing for you. Hope this mic doesn't pick it up. Anyway. So bottom line is that look at this level. We are on the level right now, very close, where we were back here in 2021. You know, in springtime. If you look at this one, and then of course we had another peak in November back then. But now this started to come up quite crazy. Look at this number. We're talking about here, end of October, still at the bottom basically since the election. It just skyrocketed. So this means that people searching for the word Bitcoin, people are interested now in crypto. Now they would like to come back. Another interesting thing, look at this is the list in the United States for the financial apps. And here are the free downloads. And number one is COINBASE app. Last time when the retail FOMO was there, this was number one. And why I'm saying this, look at the same list, you know, here can change here the words, right? So on the same list, dates, sorry, so you can change the dates, not word, dates. On the same list, on the 5th of November, on the day of the election, it wasn't even in the top 25, right? Not in the top 25. Now, couple of days later, what we can see that it's number one. And which one is actually here with crypto.com, also on the 5th place. So, but yeah, this is a sign that people starting to pay attention to crypto, investing in crypto, downloading a COINBASE app, using a COINBASE app, and so on and so forth. And these are the early signs that retail is back, and this gives a chance to pump up also the altcoins. So yeah, it can come up. I don't know what you think about this. You can let me know in the comment section. Right. Another thing is definitely positive for the market. Let's talk about Tether, and they just minting and minting. Another good sign, if Tether is just printing more, this is definitely shows the need that there is a need for more Tether, and what goes into USDT after goes into cryptocurrencies as well. Look, yesterday, was it today? 14th. It's today. Today means another 2 billion USDT, totaling 7 billion of USDT minted in the past 6 days. Right? It's a crazy number. Look at the market cap of Tether. This is how it started. Even if we're look at this recent one, because I think it's more interesting. Look, it's another, here it started just go like crazy since the election happened, basically. But this is when we're looking at the whole trend. You can see it's an increasing trend since really starting here at beginning of 2023, and since the market is actually going up. So that's interesting. And now let's talk about the Bitcoin spot ETFs, because there we have another record. Okay, and look. Here, IBIT, so BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF, just show a $5 billion in volume yesterday for the first time ever. You know, only 3 ETFs and 8 stocks show more action yesterday, up to 13 billion in 3 days this week. So really crazy numbers what we have here. Then we have BlackRock actually disclosed directly owning $91 million Bitcoin through its own ETF. So, and you know, they managing 11.5 trillion US dollar. And when we're looking at here the inflows, we can clearly see that we have major inflows here since the 6th of November. BlackRock here had a day, we're talking about, more than $1 billion US dollar entering just from BlackRock side. But look, crazy numbers, 500 million just yesterday, before yesterday, 800 million when you're looking at the total. So yeah, it also shows the interest that people are investing now in Bitcoin. And finally, let's talk about some gainers like the meme coins and also some others, because now the Robinhood, for example, it's not afraid that much from the SEC since, Donald Trump going to be the president. Probably there will be changes, firing their guns and so on and so forth. So now they're relisting some of the old coins. So we could see also altcoins rising yesterday, and this is simply because Robinhood, for example, adds Sol, PEPE, ADA, XRP. PEPE went up just like crazy, and it's simply because they're saying, okay, now it's another thing is happening, and it's time to put these guys back. Also, we see Coinbase officially list PEPE. So really, this is the meme coin craze. And finally, which just came to my mind, I just forgot about it yesterday, we had the new CPI data. It came out, and that was also the one which started to boost Bitcoin price. The focus said 2.6%, and it is 2.6% in October. So everything as planned. Probably more rate cuts coming up in December, 25 basis points. This is how we continue next year. It definitely could boost, the risky, the liquid markets. So right now things looking positive. And yeah, guys, don't forget, if you would like to keep yourself up to date, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. I bring you these fresh videos every single day to keep you up to date. Tomorrow, I'm bringing you an interesting interview, an exclusive interview with Carl Runefeld, the Moon, because I visited him in Dubai a couple of weeks ago in his office, and we talked about a lot of things. So if you are interested in him, interested in the crypto market, it's almost an hour-long interview, and I would like to put it here on YouTube tomorrow for you guys. So yeah, that's another thing which is coming up, and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.